Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mintop Minoxidil 5% for beard growth. First, ensure your face is clean and completely dry before you begin. This preparation helps the solution absorb effectively. Have your Minoxidil 5% solution and the dropper ready. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and proper application process, setting you up for the best possible results. Now, let's apply the solution. Using the provided dropper, measure out 1 milliliter of the Minoxidil 5% solution. Carefully apply this directly to the areas of your beard where you want to see growth. Gently use your fingertips to massage the solution into your skin, ensuring even distribution. Remember to apply this amount twice daily for optimal effectiveness. After applying the Minoxidil 5% solution, it's important to let it fully absorb. Allow at least 4 hours before washing your face or applying other products. Try to avoid touching your face immediately after application to prevent transferring the solution. Always remember to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water right after each use to maintain good hygiene. For the best results, consistency is absolutely crucial. Make sure to apply Minoxidil 5% every day as directed. Please be patient, as visible beard growth can take several months to appear. If you experience any significant skin irritation, redness, or other adverse reactions, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.